All right, not to brag, but I have Bragg Organic Raw Filtered Apple Cider Vinegar. And I'm going to be mixing this with water today. But before we get to that, I'm just going to talk a little bit about the Bragg Apple Cider Vinegar that is raw and unfiltered. It's with the mother, not as in your mother or a dirty mother, but mother meaning sediment that is in the back. Little sediment of apple, unpasteurized, USDA organic. So on the side of Bragg Organic Raw Unfiltered Apple Cider Vinegar, they show how to mix this with 8 ounces of filtered or sparkling water. I'm going to go ahead and do that. I'm going to go ahead and mix this in with 8 ounces of filter water. To the side, I have a glass, and I'm going to pour about approximately 8 ounces of filtered water. 6, 7, and 8 ounces of filtered water. And then, as it says on the side, mix 1 teaspoon of vinegar, apple cider vinegar by Bragg. So I'm going to go ahead and take my teaspoon, and then I'm just going to put it in there, and then stir it so it mixes well. And I'm going to go ahead and try this. See what it tastes like. It's a little cloudy, but that's okay. It's not too bad. That's Bragg Organic Raw Unfiltered Apple Cider Vinegar.